Ceramic boats are small, boat-shaped containers designed to hold and transport materials within tube furnaces. Made from materials like alumina, zirconia, silicon carbide, and mullite, they are used for heating, melting, or treating materials at extremely high temperatures. Ceramic boats offer high temperature resistance, crucial for processes like sintering and annealing. They are chemically inert, ensuring no contamination of materials. Their low thermal conductivity provides excellent insulation, preventing heat loss. Additionally, they can be customized to various sizes and shapes, making them versatile for different applications. In metallurgy, ceramic boats are used for melting and alloying metals. In materials research, they help study material behavior under thermal conditions. The semiconductor industry uses them for doping and annealing processes. In glass production, they aid in melting and shaping raw materials. In tube furnaces, ceramic boats hold materials for processing. They are loaded into the furnace, ensuring minimal heat loss. The furnace follows a temperature profile, with the boats protecting materials from direct contact with heating elements. After processing, the boats are removed and materials are extracted,